Welcome to another Englicious activity 2-minute demo where we're going to show you a new activity you can access on Englicious in under 2 minutes. So you need to be already registered and logged into the website we saw in the previous video, and then we're going to look at the resources page. From here, we're going to choose content type, and this time we're going to look at starter. So I select starter. I've organized by most popular, as this is one of our most popular activities, and we're choosing compound word creation from the side menu there. Click view resource and we get the instruction page. As always on the instruction page, if you mouse over a word in bold, you'll get the national curriculum definition of that word. We're not going to read the full instruction page now. We're going to scroll straight down and click the activity button and go to the activity. Here you get an overview. We're going to go in the top right hand corner and choose the whiteboard button, which brings a new pop-up where we can see each slide in full screen mode in turn, so we can project that onto an interactive whiteboard, have your learners come up and take part in this activity. How does this work? It's a simple drag and drop, mix and match. We have these different root words. We're going to combine them together to create new compound words. So for instance, earth and quake combine to make earthquake, double click to split apart. We'll keep going and combine a few more of these words to create the words we're all familiar with. Then if we happen to get a little stuck, you can choose give me a clue from the bottom. That will snap two words together to help you out, and then we can do the last one, no problem. Click submit your answers and you'll see a score, some feedback. We got all this correct, but we don't get all the points because we did ask for help with one of them. You can click try again, and then we get the same activity, drag and drop, but this time with new examples. So another way you could make use of this activity is, instead of creating words that we're already familiar with, like head teacher for example, is what if we combine these root words in new ways and create brand new words and then ask our learners to come up with a definition for these new words. So for example, step home, what might that word mean? Be creative, come up with some interesting definitions. So you can visit Englicious.org right now, register, log in and use these resources all for free.